Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan. I upload videos related to data analytics and AI. So in today's video we will be asking macro to create a combination of if and vlookup. Alright, this is going to be a little complex and it is very advanced because the thing is if and vlookup combined itself is a complex formula, and moreover you're asking macro to run this complex formula for us. All right, so we can see and that will help us in making sure that we are getting very proficient in creating formulas. All right, we have the names of students in sheet 2 and their scores are in sheet 1. Okay, I'm going to the developer tab, click on record macro, and I'll write the name. If we look up maths July 28, this will run if and we look up. And I click on OK. Alright, so you can see that the macro is running in the background. I'll type the formula is equals to if, open the bracket, we look up, open the bracket for we look up now. Lookup value is A5, which is the name of the student here. Okay, comma, table array, this is where the lookup is based, and the scores of the lookup. So in A list of A we have the name of students, so I'll be the lookup value, and then in column B here we have the scores of mathematics, right? So column number 2, I need an exact match, so I will select false. Then if it's greater than 35, I will type in inverted commas if the value is in true, which is pass, else I want the value to be displayed as fail, and I close the bracket now, hit enter, and I will drag it down. Okay, click on stop recording. So the results for mathematics subject for these students have been populated. Alright, what I'm going to do, assign this macro, which is if we look up maths July 28, and I want the macro to run the formula on this file 120. Okay, click on OK. Right, now what I will do is I will delete the formula. Alright, let me cross check this. See, the scores for mathematics have been populated. Now I will do the same thing for science. Click on record macro. If we look up science, this will run if and we look up for fetching results of science. Science subject. See, the thing is that when you write a detailed description and if you have multiple macros, this will be very much handy and very much helpful. Okay, click on OK. Alright, now the macro is running in the background. I'll write the formula if, open the bracket, we look up, open the bracket, select the lookup value, which is the name of the student here. Go to sheet 1 where we have the lookup based, which is in the table array. Select from the lookup value, go till column third, which is where the scores of science are pasted, right? So this will be column number 3. We need exact match, close the bracket. Now the vlookup formula has been completed. Now if this is greater than 35, I want the formula to identify the student as having passed the subject, or it should return as fail. Okay, close the bracket, hit enter. Alright, I'll drag it down and click on stop recording. Okay, alright, I'll delete the formula and now I'll assign macro if we look up science. Alright, cool. So the macro has run the formula for science as well. Now it will be for English. Once again, record macro if we look up English. Okay, this will run if and we look up to fetch scores in English. Click on OK. Alright, once again is equals to if, open bracket, we look up, open bracket, click on the lookup value and then go to sheet 1. This time the column reference number is in the 4th. We need an exact match, close the bracket. If it's greater than 35, I need the formula to write the message as pass or fail. In fact, when you create this combination of if and vlookup in the inverted commas, you can write any other message as well. Instead, let's say if you want to write congratulations in inverted commas, and then in case if the value is false, then you can say better luck next time, something like that. You can do that as well. Okay, click on enter, drag it down. All right, click on stop recording and delete the formula. Click on assign macro if we look up English. This will run if and we look up to fetch scores in English, right? Click on OK. See, the macro is functioning. If you want to cross check, let's do that. I'm going to delete all the formulas. Let's see. See, all the 3 buttons are functioning properly. So which means that even macro can run a complex formula as well. All right. So in upcoming videos, I'll be asking macro to write more formulas. All right, and I'll also be making videos on the subject of Power BI and other components of data analytics such as AI. Okay, it is also one of the most integral part of data analytics. Right, with the help of AI, data analytics becomes much more better. All right. So I hope you have found this video to be a little helpful. Right, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching the video.